Hey guys, can you see my screen? Can you able to access my screen or not? Please confirm.
Visible, sir.
Hi sir, we're able to see your screen.
Yes. Okay guys, before starting this interview workshop, so first of all, I would like to check with you. How many people are completely new here and they haven't taken training from my side? So please raise your hands so that I can understand. So just raise your hand. There is option is there, right? Just raise your hands. People who are completely newbies, they haven't taken training from my side. So please raise your hand so that I can understand how many people are completely new here. Okay, only 3 people or anyone? Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8. Okay, so before starting this interview workshop content, so can you please say something about yourself and what is your requirement basically and why you have joined this session? So please give you an idea so that we can understand your requirement. Smita, what about you? So,
Hi, sir.
yeah, hi.
Sir, I have
Yeah,
completed
Smita.
the training
Mhm.
for FICO in another institution.
Okay.
So I have started searching for jobs, but I need some more, what to say, some more exposure for the subjects you have mentioned. So
Mhm.
that's why I am here.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to know where are you from and generally, you already prepared for SAP FICO or S4HANA, or you just completely newbie?
No, no. I have completed a training for S4HANA
Mhm.
FICO.
Okay.
I had been working as an accounts payable analyst for like 4+ years. So I
Mhm.
just recently thought of moving to this FICO consulting.
Okay.
So I have taken training.
Okay.
I want to start job searching.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, which areas you are very strong actually? So you already taken training and looking out for interview workshops. So have you attended any interviews so far?
Not yet, not yet. No, I haven't attended any interview yet.
Mm-hmm.
So just basic configurations part and the basic part only.
You are
I'm
not much
not
familiar with
exposed
other.
to this real time scenarios. I want to know more about the real time scenarios, real time tickets, real time how it will be working in a real time environment. That's what I want to learn from you.
Okay, fine. How do you know me actually? See, so we are taking almost training in Telugu, but
Mm-hmm.
last time we started English, right? So how did you find me?
I used to watch your videos in YouTube, and
Mhm.
some of my friends also suggested your name.
Okay,
And I'm from Kerala, but currently I'm living in Malaysia.
okay,
Mm,
fine,
yeah.
got it. Great to know about you.
Okay then.
Thank you very much for giving your introduction.
Okay.
What about Kishore, Ram, Viru, Lakshmi? So say something about yourself so that we can understand your basic requirements at least.
Hi, sir. This is Kish.
Yes. Go ahead.
I am from Vijayawada.
Hmm.
I have completed BCom in 2014. I have
Okay.
overall 6+ years of experience in retail
Mhm.
industry,
Okay.
and SAP end user.
Great. Okay.
In SAP end user stage, I have involved in general ledger accounting and accounts receivable stage related to the customers.
Okay.
Yeah, I have completed my training in both in ECC and S4HANA over
Okay.
3 years, 3 months back.
Hmm.
Now I am trying for SAP FICO job, but it's not possible to get the basic with the basic knowledge in SAP. I think that's the
Hmm.
reason I have consulted you through YouTube. I know you from past 6 months.
Oh, great. Okay.
Now I recently saw your workshop related stuff in the YouTube. That's the
Okay.
reason I have joined with you now.
Great to know about you. Thank you. So you already taken training, right? That's the reason I'm asking.
Yes.
So people are completely new. Okay, so they haven't taken any training from us, or they haven't taken training from any trainer. So please leave from this group, because this group is only for people who already taken training and they are looking out for jobs. Okay, so they are completely newbies. So people who don't know about SAP, so we have separate course. Okay, so we will let you know the details in the chat box also. Okay, these sessions are completely who already taken training and they are seeking out for employment, right? Next, Ram, Anji, what about you? Ram, Viru, Lakshmi, Shirisha, what about you? Anyone? Any newbies here, people who are not taken training from my side? So please just raise your hands, just to give your quick introduction, so that we can understand your basic requirement, like where you stuck and what is your basic requirement. All we'll discuss. Yes, Sarkar Kiran, Ramanji. Yes, say something
Hi,
about this. Yes.
hi sir. I am Kiran. Actually, I have 7 years of experience accounts payable domain in IBM.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I took training. My one of the my friend
While explaining the
is
things, keep your name confidential. You can say any nickname, something over here. And don't discuss about your previous experiences here. Okay, just now
okay.
say worked in some MNC, that you can say. Yes, go ahead. Because these sessions are recording. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Just go ahead.
Mm, yes, sir. I have experience 7 years in accounts payable domain.
Mm-hmm.
One of the I took training. One of the my friend.
Okay.
That's why I want to some more take training for interview purpose and all.
Okay.
That's why I have to join. I'm following your videos and all.
Mm-hmm.
Last 3 months I'm watching your videos.
Okay.
Actually now I am looking for job change. That's the reason I'm joined this course.
Great. Fine. Uh, okay. You are new. You are completely new. Who is next?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Who is next? Like any new person here, so they haven't taken training from my side, just raise your hand and say something about yourself, and tell me the requirement, what exactly you are looking out from my side. Okay. Okay, fine. So before starting this, so who is my trainee? So just to put, just put S in the chat box, so that I will check how many people are from my side. Just put yes in the chat box. Okay, many people are there. Shiva Reddy, you are Shiva Reddy Bada. I think you are the old student, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, guys, if you are completely new here, that means you haven't taken any training from my side earlier. Okay, so please raise your hand and say something about yourself. Okay, so and also tell your basic requirement. What is your expectations here? Okay, fine. So how many people attended interview so far? Like here, most of the people already joined, almost 45 plus trainees have attended this workshop. Tell me guys, who attended interviews recently in SAP FICO or S4HANA? Nobody attended? Okay. Okay guys, keep your audio mute. Keep your audio mute. Okay, this is just like a touch base session regarding SAP FICO S4HANA workshops. In going forward, what kind of training we are delivering over here. So those things will be announced today. And so people who already taken training, I think there is nothing new. The topics which we discussed in the sessions, the same will be discussed in these classes. And also if any additions are there, then we definitely tell you any addition things that we not come across during our training session. Those things also discussed over here. Okay. And the next thing is we will conduct mock test after five topics are ended up. Then we have a mock test. So everyone need to attend mock test so that so it will build up confidence and so you will get some potential on the subject. So without giving mock test or without delivering the topics explanation, it would be great difficult for you to crack the interview. So you just need to open your mouth and you need to discuss something else in the group. Then there may be chances to get selected in interview, and in real time you won't get any much problem or much difficulty while explaining any topics. Okay. So going forward, these are the topics we're gonna cover in the sessions. Like the topics we will explain in very detail. Interview preparation and guidance, resume preparation and guidance, real-time client business process, implementation project guidance, support project guidance. It is including SAP, FICO and S4HANA, real-time P2P business process with live examples, OTC with live examples, and I will take some business blueprints and will let you know what kind of industrial requirements and what is the business process and all those things will be discussed in the sessions very clearly. Then real-time errors and live scenarios in SAP FI and MM integration, real-time errors and live scenarios in SAP FI to SD integration part. Yes. Any problem? Okay, guys, keep your audio mute, please. Okay, and after that, see, we have several kind of automatic payment program scenarios are there. So almost 20 plus scenarios are there and only for automatic payment program. And EBS file I uploaded. See, yesterday I shared one EBS file through my YouTube channel. Those things we will discuss in the class. See this IDOC DME configuration, I will tell you end to end. Like these sessions are completely theoretical aspects, no practical. Like here we don't perform any configuration stuff. Okay, here we don't perform any configuration stuff. Here only we'll discuss about interview questions theoretically, and we will make practice over here. So people who already taken training from other side or other institutions, okay, they already looking out for job. So even we cannot perform any configurations for these areas in this workshops. So this workshop is only for people who are looking out for jobs, only looking out for job. That means here only theoretical discussions and practical sessions. If you need practical sessions, so please take our full course. So here we will discuss only theoretical aspects on each topic, and we will discuss real-time discussions completely. Okay, almost all real-time discussions will be happen on every topic, and I will tell you DME end-to-end implementation process and IDOC end-to-end IDOCs FITMM FI2SD integration. Then P2P and OTC with examples. Then we will take mock test in the first half. Okay, so we divided some areas particularly, and then we will take mock test. So people who need to who attend the classes regularly, then we will conduct mock test. So need to attend means you guys need to attend session every time. Don't miss our sessions. And so without attending mock test, it would be difficult to crack the interview. Okay, so at least you need to listen others mock test, and you can try. Okay, and just to give your mock test. So during this session, I will tell you the strategies like tips and tricks how to crack the interview, and some real-time enhancement, RISE concepts, validation, substitution, real-time ticketing tools, S4HANA preparation guidance, how to get fresher experienced jobs in SAP, motivation, mock test. These things will be discussed during during these 25 workshops. So please understand that here no configuration part will be discussed. Whenever the things are required, then I will perform unit testing also for your better understanding. But no configuration part will be done in these workshops. So please be note, no configuration part will be done in these workshops. This is only for interview practice discussions only going over here. And this is our strategy. What kind of topics we're gonna cover in the next sessions. So we clearly mentioned over here. So like SR methodology and active methodology, what is the difference between these two, and where you have involved in the implementation phases, what kind of activities that you have performed, particularly for the implementation project. Like here, it's a cutover activities, LSMW, BDC, LTMC, L2M. What is uploading activities, entries are there. Those things also be discussed in the coming sessions. Like in APP, we have different kind of scenarios, almost 20 plus scenarios are there. I will tell you that the scenarios, and we'll explain withholding configuration part, the GST configuration with entries also. Like kind details, how we can make a story on the client. Okay, I already made one story, like storyboard. So how you can present it yourself regarding the client, in which areas you need to focus, and how you can present it yourself to the interviewer. So those are all things will be discussed during the sessions. New asset configuration changes, business partner, currency setups, leading, non-leading, technical clearing, depreciation. These are all S4HANA related stuff. This is very important for the interview level. So these things also discussed during the sessions. Dunning concept, EBS, and COPA. So material ledger, costing run. These are the important areas, particularly for interview purpose. Those also discussed during the sessions. And support project. So we have MEC and e-rendering activities, P2P, OTC, and electronic bank statement entries, FI2MM integration, FI2SD integration, new GL concept, and CO related month-ending activities, and 20 plus errors, and 3 are ABAP related enhancements, forms, and some technical aspects. I will tell you like IDOC, DME implementation, how it is going in real time, and I will tell you what is functional spec and all. So I will give you some examples on the validation of substitution for real-time perspective. So we will cover up only these topics. Okay, we will cover up only these topics, and these topic details I already mentioned in my YouTube channel. So guys, you already checked it out, and also in the going forward. So project related questions, almost so many related project questions will be asked in the interview at the first phase of interview. So interview will try to ask you which kind of projects you dealt and what kind of activities you perform during implementation support and all those things will be discussed in the first phase of interview. Okay, those things also discussed in these sessions. And if you have any queries or anything during the session, you can ask. So if I don't aware any question that you ask during session, definitely give me some time. So we will come up with the solution. Okay, because this SAP is a ocean, so 100% nobody is fit for all aspects of all areas. Hence, at least I need 1 hour or 2 hours. Then I will correct. I will tell you the solution if you are asking any kind of question. Just like if I don't aware. So we'll discuss regarding the interview questions and guidance. Okay, in HCL, what kind of question they asked after end of this session. So you come to know these are all questions. You can answer these all questions easily. No worries. I think my previous students already know about this kind of things we already discussed in our previous sessions. The same will be repeated. There is nothing new, but any new points are there, then definitely we will share those things over here. These are all automated payment program scenarios and DMA structure, content, okay, ALE, IDocs, interview questions and all. So this is just like overview regarding the workshop. Okay, so if you have any questions, want to discuss anything here, so please be ask any kind of questions, like it's a completely relevant to interview workshops. Okay, and one more thing is our training will be started from Wednesday. So our training will be started from Wednesday 8th. So timing details I will mention in the chat box. 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon. 12:30 p.m. Okay. So our training will be start from 8th Wednesday. Next Wednesday. The time is 12:30 p.m. Any questions?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
Sir, for this DME and IDoc, will you provide any material for that? Because that one was not covered in my classes, but I have an idea through the YouTube videos and all. But will you provide any document material for that?
Yes, see, we already discussed. See, actually, so we won't provide any real-time documents to anyone. These sessions are completely for interview perspective. So hence, for interview point of view, we will tell you these are the areas are very important. So then please focus on the it's a recording, right? So I will show you up all the documents to you, but downloading and all that's not allowed. Okay, if anything. Not real-time document, then we will share.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
So, Chanu sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
This
Yes.
is Ramesh this side, sir.
Ramesh, I think you already met last week, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, coming Wednesday, the classes will be started, sir, or tomorrow onwards.
No, not tomorrow. I told you, right? See, this will be started from next Wednesday 8.
Oh, next Wednesday in the sense after 3 days, matter, sir.
Yeah, 8th. Okay.
8th of March. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So, any other discussions want to put here?
Yeah, good evening, sir. My name is Sai Vamsi.
Yeah, you are all training?
Yes, sir. I'm all trained. I'm a 8th batch student.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, can you just brief on some workflow configuration on SAP? Because I already I'm in a HANA project. So there the workflow configuration has been started, but I am not involved on it. But I was attending to my meetings, so that
Okay.
it will be helpful for us because in my team they are saying
workflow configuration. We won't involve much on that. We as a functional guy, so we need to understand the business requirement. Like so, for levels will be there, right? There is a matrix will be there, workflow matrix, like your manager, senior manager, and the next level. Like once you approve the invoice, where exactly it will go first, and what is the escalated, and once he is not approved, what is the next escalation point. So like that, so we need to gather the information first. If it is required, we need to make functional spec. So workflow configuration, it's completely done by our ABAPer. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
Any other questions? So any other question want to discuss? Please ask so that we can. Okay, regarding that workflow, actually, so first thing is we should understand the business process, right? So like, so workflow for what? It's for payment or for invoice approval or for payment approval. So those things we need to understand. Like in some cases, what happen once a payment has been approved, once payment has been done, then it will go to the approval for your senior manager or superior, okay, whoever responsible person. So these things will be done from the proposal level only. Proposal to logic is our senior manager email. So it will go to the your senior manager. Then he will check the proposal level, what kind of payments that we are going to do, we are going to pay. Those things will be checked out. Then he will approve to do these things. Okay, then we will make the payment. This is one kind of enhancement that we need to perform, but with help, without ABAPer help, we cannot perform any kind of things in SAP regarding RISIP concept particularly. Okay, for this case, so ABAPer requirement will be there. It's an enhancement. We need to write a functional spec, and so we just understand the business requirements. We'll discuss. Then we need to involve our ABAPer during the call if it is required. Then we need to send this proposal to your ABAPer, and he will work on it. Okay, actually for some of the configurations in workflow, those are we don't have any scope to do configurations. Okay. Okay, fine. Anything? Okay, if there is nothing else, then we'll wind up the session. Okay, from Wednesday onwards, like date is 8th, time is 12:30 p.m. Okay, you can join in the session. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.